how to install BofA Prepaid Mobile app, Bank of America app. So yeah, this is like the app for prepaid card. It's just easy to use. Just manage everything on your fingertips, and then just add your card to the app and go. Your balance is a tap away. Turn your card off and on with the click. Receive balance and deposit notification. Find the closest ATM. With this prepaid card, you can easily access your accounts anytime, anywhere, all from your phone. You must have received a prepaid card from an employer, government agency, or company. You have access to view prepaid card balances, view prepaid card transaction history, ATM locator, suspend or activate prepaid cards, manage alerts, and then yeah, you can just open it up, and then yeah, you can proceed with it, and yeah, then you can just activate card if you already have one. Just enter card number, and or you can just register it here. So that's yeah.